Not every bag tells a story, but this one speaks the language of royalty, transformation, and soul. From my designer line, Next Stage Knit International, this is Alum Heru. Peace family, it's Cashflow Marco TV. It's Cashflow Marco. Today, I'm going to be giving y'all the full breakdown on one of the most personal pieces I've ever created, the Alum Haru designer bag. Let's talk about what makes this bag more than just a bag. Heru was the forerunner of Jeshua. Ra Heru Kehudi is in his rising form. It was the Sphinx in the middle of the earth called Heru, God of the horizon. This is Alum Heru. It's a bold fusion of ancient symbolism and modern design with textures that tell their own story. From genuine python leather to the gold accents, the vibrant color blocking. This isn't just fashion. This is a memory encoded in material. Alum Heru is inspired by the divine spirit of Kemet, by Heru himself, the falcon-headed god of royalty, vision, and higher purpose. The python leather represents more than luxury. In ancient Kemet, snakes stood for divinity, sovereignty, transformation, and eternal renewal. Python in particular, they were seen as messengers between earth and spirit, symbols of adaptability, healing, and infinite creative potential. So when you carry this bag, you literally are carrying a piece of an eternal message. Now let's get into the design. First off, the leather. It's real, it's soft, and the inside, it smells like a luxury Gucci boutique on the inside. From the zipper to the buckles to the metals, give that rich international feel. The teal mesh on the inside and the hot pink patent leather around the logo. Just enough color pop to remind you this ain't your average carry. Oh, and the sides, the smooth camouflage with magnetic side pockets that snap shut with a subtle click. And the inside is lined with multiple compartments. Perfect for a day out with light travel. Alright, real talk, the pros and the cons. So the pros, it has multiple pockets inside and out. It's smooth to the touch, it has magnetic side pockets, and it has beautiful Italian made construction. Now the cons, leather does crease over time, as it should. That's a sign of real material aging with you. It does have limited interior space for bulk items, but I am able to carry my laptop, my folder, maybe one or two small notepads. This is a statement piece, not just a duffel. And every time I wear it, I am walking with the spirit of Heru on my shoulder. If you felt the energy behind this review, like, share, and subscribe. And comment your favorite part of the bag below. Want to see more behind the scenes on how I designed the bag with purpose? Tap into Next Stage Knit International. Links in the description. Remember, luxury isn't what you wear, it's what you carry in your spirit. Stay royal. Peace. I'm going to end it off here with the mantra. Oh, I am Heru. Grant me the secret longing of my heart. Oh, I am Heru. Grant me the secret longing of my heart. Oh, I am Heru. Grant me the secret longing of my heart.